will be doing.
Ma'am, we were disconnected.
Okay. Yes, anyway, we haven't started anything. We are starting now only. Okay. So, question 5, 7th part. Okay. Our question is, I hope everybody has practiced till part 6 after class. So, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta. So LHS sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Okay. From numerator I am taking sin theta common. So it is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From denominator I am taking cos theta common. So it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Now बेसिकली एक हिंट ये मिल रहा है कि वी वांट tan थीटा इन आरएचएस. हमको इसको इसको किसके इक्वल प्रूव करना है? tan थीटा. तो sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा tan थीटा होता है. ओके. सो इफ दिस इज tan थीटा, तो बेसिकली अगर ये दोनों टर्म्स कैंसिल हो जाते हैं, बेसिकली दे शुड कैंसिल टू गेट दिस tan थीटा. ओके. सो इफ आई राइट दिस sin थीटा बाय cos थीटा इज tan थीटा. 1 we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. So instead of this 1, I am writing sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. In denominator also, instead of this 1, I am writing it as sin square theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. So it is tan theta. Sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta, it is minus sin square theta. Basically it is just like x square minus 2x square. So it is minus x square. Similarly sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is only minus sin square theta. In denominator, when we will open this bracket, it will be 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. So it is tan theta. Okay. So cos square theta minus sin square theta, and it is 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So basically these both terms are equal. So it is equal to tan theta, that is equal to RHS. Okay. So hence proved. Question number 5th, 8th part. Sin a plus cosec a the whole square plus cos a plus sec a the whole square equals to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Taking LHS, putting the identity a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So taking LHS, sin a plus cosec a the whole square will be sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a cosec a. Okay. Here also same identity, cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a sec a. Okay. Can anybody tell me what is sin a into cosec a? Can any 1? Very good. And what is cos a into sec a? Cos a into sec a?
Cot 1.
That is also 1. Why it is 1? Because sin a cosec a का मतलब क्या होता है? 1 by sin a. So sin a and sin a cancel. Okay. Similarly cos a into sin sec a, that is cos a, sec a is 1 by cos a. So this and this cancel. It is also 1. Okay. So I am rewriting this step now. We know that sin square a plus cos square a is 1. Okay. So Sine square A plus cos square A is 1. This identity I am putting, plus cosec square A plus sin A into cosec A is also 1. So I am writing it only 2. Okay. Plus cos square A we have used in sin square A identity. So I am not writing again cos square A plus sec square A and 2 cos A sec A. Cos A sec A is 1. So only 2. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 5, plus cosec square A plus sec square A. What is the identity? Cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A and sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. That is equal to 5 plus 1 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. That is what we want to prove. That is equal to RHS. Okay. This way you have to write. And wherever you are using any identity, there you can make a bracket and write cos square A plus sin square A equals to 1. Okay. Then cosec square A equals to 1 plus cot square A and sec square A equals to 1 plus tan square A. Okay. So this is how we have to do this problem. Okay. So fifth question, ninth part. Cosec A minus sin A sec A minus cos A equals to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Okay. So it is always, it's not necessary that every time we have to solve LHS and obtain RHS. We can solve both the parts and prove them equal. So in this question, we are going to do this way only. We are taking LHS, solving it and obtaining something simplified, solving RHS, obtaining something simplified, and both should be equal. So LHS I am taking, cosec A is 1 upon sin A minus sin A. Okay. Sec A is 1 upon cos A minus cos A. Okay. Now if I take LCM, sin A is LCM here in first term. So it is 1 minus sin square A. In next term, cos A is LCM. It is 1 minus cos square A. Okay. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A upon sin A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A upon cos A. Here you will write using identity cos square A plus sin square A equals to 1. Okay. Now cos A cancel, sin A cancel. It is equal to cos A sin A. Okay. Taking RHS, 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Tan A is sin A upon cos A. Cot A is cos A upon sin A. Taking LCM of denominator, it is sin A cos A. Cos A is here, cos A is here, sin A is not here, so sin A should be multiplied in numerator. Similarly, sin A is here, sin A is here and cos A is extra term, so cos A should be multiplied here. So cos A, this will be cos square A. Okay. This denominator will go in top term, or basically it will be the part of numerator, and sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Now LHS and RHS both are equal, so it is proved. Okay. So now question 5, 10th part. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A, the whole square equals to tan square A. Okay. This we have to prove. I'll first of all take this term. Actually here there are 3 terms, so I can't say LHS, RHS. So I am taking first of all this term. Tan square A, 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus tan square A by identity we know it is sec square A. 1 plus cot square A by identity we know it is cosec square A. Sec square A is 1 by cos square A. Cosec square A is 1 upon sin square A. So it is sin square A upon cos square A. that is equal to tan square है. Okay, so we got this equal to first term equal to third term. Okay, now I'll take second term, 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a. Okay, the whole square. Okay, now one question I have, is a minus b the whole square and b minus a the whole square equal?
No, ma'am.
Okay, how many are saying no?
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, I am
repeat what
saying
you
no.
said just now?
Okay, I am asking, a minus b the whole square is equal to b minus a the whole square? Is
Yes,
Ma'am.
who is saying yes?
ma'am, I'm saying yes.
Hinal,
No, ma'am, Harini.
Harini. Okay, Harini is right. Because a minus b the whole square क्या होता है? A square plus b square minus 2ab. b minus a the whole square क्या होता है? b square plus a square minus 2ab. This both are same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So why I am talking about this now is we are going to get this situation when I am solving this. So 1 minus tan a is sin a by cos a, the whole square, upon 1 minus cos a by sin a, the whole square. Okay, this can be written as cos a minus sin a upon cos a, the whole square, and this is sin a minus cos a upon sin a, the whole square. Okay, now this can further be written as cos a minus sin a, the whole square, upon cos square a. Whenever we have this type of situation, this lowest term is multiplied with the top and this both are multiplied. So into this will be sin square a upon sin a minus cos a the whole square. Okay, just now we have seen a minus b the whole square equals to b minus a the whole square. Okay, so I can cancel this term and this term. Okay, so this is sin square a upon cos square a, that is also equal to tan square a. Okay, so what we have done, we have solved this one and we have solved this one and obtained it equal to tan square a. We have solved this one and obtained it equal to tan square a. So all three are equal. Okay, if it is clear, please type y. If this is clear, just type y. Has anybody typed anything?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now I got Hinal Himani, Siddhartha, Hinal Himani. They you have typed it twice, and Avni. Okay. So Kavin and other students also understood. Harini,
Ma'am, I have
No,
also
ma'am.
typed.
you have also typed. Tumhara. Okay, okay. Right. Okay. So I got. Okay, okay. Today there is some delay in message. Okay, I got. Now, next part. One more question is there. Do you know which question is left?
Example 12.
Yes, one example is remaining. Example 15. That also I am going to discuss. Okay. So example 15. Okay. This is the most difficult problem of this chapter. Actually, students find this question very hard. So that's why I have taken it at last. Okay. Equals to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. The question is, prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equals to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta using the identity sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. one question of similar type we have done yesterday. Okay, so फर्स्ट थिंग, जब भी अगर हमको कोई आइडेंटिटी दी है, ठीक है, जैसे हमको यहाँ पे दे रखा है सेक स्क्वायर थीटा और tan स्क्वायर थीटा वाली आइडेंटिटी यूज करके ही करना है, तो आई हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस टर्म्स, I have to think in that manner only, that how can I convert this to either sec theta or tan theta, either sec theta or tan theta. Okay, so first step, can anybody guess what should be the first step?
Ma'am, by dividing cos
Ma'am,
theta.
by dividing it by cos theta.
Good. Okay, dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. तो cos theta से
Ma'am,
divide
why are you
करने से,
dividing?
yes, cos theta से divide करने से क्या होगा, sin theta upon cos theta will become tan theta, cos theta upon cos theta will be 1, and 1 upon cos theta will be sec theta. So we'll get sec theta and tan theta as sum of the terms. Okay, so dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, sin theta upon cos theta will be tan theta, cos theta upon cos theta is 1, and 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. This will be tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Okay, so first step is this. Now actually I told you yesterday कि जब हमको ऐसा कुछ ऑब्टेन करना है आरएचएस में, तो जो टर्म हमको ऑब्टेन करना है उसको न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. दैट इज वन ऑफ द अप्रोच. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय sec theta minus tan theta in numerator and denominator, tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta, tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta, and multiplying in numerator and denominator by sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप ये है कि हमको आरएचएस में चाहिए सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर में. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll not disturb this term, I'll keep this term as it is, and rest both the terms in numerator I'll multiply by distributive property. Okay, so when I'll multiply first term sec theta, I am multiplying in this entire term tan minus tan theta also. So how it will be, sec theta tan theta minus sec theta plus sec square theta minus tan square theta plus tan theta minus tan theta sec theta. In denominator I'll not multiply anything, I'll write both the terms as it is. Okay, now sec theta tan theta and minus tan theta sec theta will get cancelled. Okay, now next thing, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta will be 1. So I'll be replacing this sec square theta minus tan square theta by 1. So I am changing the slide now. I am writing minus sec theta plus 1 plus tan theta upon tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Now observe, क्या हमको जो ये न्यूमरेटर में टर्म मिला है tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 और जो डिनोमिनेटर में टर्म मिला है ये दोनों सेम है क्या? This is what, plus 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. This is also tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta.
Yes, ma'am, it's same.
It's the same. So I can cancel this term and this term. So I got the answer what I want. It is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, that is equal to RHS. Okay. Seeing this question again. First the question was, prove that sec theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equals to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. But the condition was given. We were given that we have to use this identity only. Okay. When this type of questions are there, first step is to convert this trigonometric ratios to sec and tan. So first how can I convert this? इसको साइन को हम सेक में कन्वर्ट कर ही नहीं सकते हैं, साइन को हम tan में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. हाउ कैन आई कन्वर्ट? बाय डिवाइडिंग बाय कॉस. cos cos is 1 upon cos is sec, so this will be, and 1 can be converted 1 upon cos is sec. So if we'll think, we'll get that if I divide in numerator and denominator by cos theta, we can get in terms of tan and sec. Okay, first step is this. Now observe the RHS. In RHS we want sec theta minus tan theta in denominator only. So we'll multiply in numerator and denominator, but the term in denominator we will not multiply anywhere. We'll keep this term as it is, क्योंकि हमको ये आंसर चाहिए. Okay, बाकी न्यूमरेटर की जो दोनों टर्म्स है उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो फर्स्ट वन टर्म विल गेट कैंसल्ड. Using identity we'll get this sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So what we'll get? 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. And in denominator also we have the same term. This both terms will cancel and we'll get RHS. Okay. So